It's Mama Mo.
I tried something new. I joined the Filipino food online cook-along. In this video, I will show you how to make meatless sisig. This is the result of my joining Mama Sita's mga Kwentong Pagkain, which is a Filipino food online cook-along.
Participating in the cook-along.
What is sisig? It's a Filipino dish that comes from the Pampanga region. The original version uses meat from the pig's face and belly and also some chicken liver. They use onions, chili peppers, and calamansi, and it's served as either a main dish or a side dish. I'm also sharing my version of this recipe, adapting it to the ingredients that I was able to find here in Canada. I prepared most of the ingredients ahead. Let's chop the chili peppers. Next, we slice the onions into little pieces and set aside. I brushed the portobello mushrooms with olive oil before grilling. Grill the mushrooms for 4 minutes on each side. Then chop the mushrooms into quarters, and it doesn't really matter how big or small you want them. Mga Kwentong Pagkain is an initiative of the Mama Sita Foundation which aims to preserve Philippine culinary heritage through the art of storytelling. I wanted the tofu to be crunchier, so I sliced them into cubes before frying. Here are the two ways you can fry the tofu, in cubes or in strips. If you fry the tofu in strips, just cut them into cubes after. I couldn't find the liquid Mama Sita Sisig mix, so I used the powdered one. Just follow the instructions on the back of the pack. At the webinar, I was excitedly waiting for the part to get to cooking sisig.
Chef Andrew was teaching how to make the sisig.
This is how I put together the sisig in my own kitchen.
Just heat up some oil and then saute the onions until they are transparent in color. Add in the sliced mushrooms. Then slowly add the tofu. I added the sisig mix a little bit at a time, just to make sure all the tofu was covered. Add as little or as much chili as you like towards the end. Here's my final product.
Proud moment here. Watch me show off my sisig at the webinar. See the link down below. The recipe and procedures are in the description down below.
We had homework, so I sent in this photo. Remember to like and share.
For me, sisig brings back memories of pulutan during my college days and inuman with my friends. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Philippine culinary heritage, go check out the Mama Sita's mga Kwentong Pagkain videos. This video is not sponsored, but thanks to Mama Sita Foundation and the Philippine Consulate anyway. Bekene men, pwede dyan. This Filipino cook-along was a fun and learning experience. I wouldn't mind joining again.